Welcome to another episode of Catering Insights, where we dive deep into the essential knowledge every catering professional needs to succeed. I'm your host, and today we're tackling a question that could make or break your business relationships with suppliers. What should caterers know about bulk food distribution, specifically how distributors keep products fresh during transport? If you've ever wondered why that shipment of produce arrived perfectly crisp or how your seafood maintains its quality during a cross-country journey, you're about to discover the fascinating world of high-tech food logistics that's revolutionizing our industry. Think about this for a moment. As a caterer, your reputation depends entirely on the quality of ingredients you serve. One bad batch of proteins or wilted vegetables can turn a dream wedding into a nightmare review. That's why understanding how your distributors protect product freshness isn't just interesting, it's absolutely critical to your success. Now, let's start with the foundation of modern food distribution: cold chain management. This isn't just about throwing some ice in a truck and hoping for the best. Today's food distributors use sophisticated temperature-controlled vehicles that maintain precise climate zones. What's fascinating is that different products require different temperature ranges, and modern trucks can create multiple climate zones within a single trailer. For instance, your leafy greens might need to travel at 32 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit, while your tropical fruits could be damaged at those temperatures and need to stay around 55 degrees. The best distributors use trucks equipped with multiple compartments, each with independent temperature controls. This means your distributor can deliver fresh strawberries and perfectly ripe avocados on the same truck without compromising either product. Here's where technology gets really exciting. Many leading distributors now use Internet of Things sensors, or IoT technology, throughout their supply chain. These tiny smart devices continuously monitor temperature, humidity, and even vibration levels during transport. What's interesting is that these sensors don't just collect data, they actively communicate with distribution centers and can trigger immediate alerts if conditions drift outside acceptable ranges. Consider this scenario. A refrigeration unit starts failing on a truck carrying your order for a weekend event. Traditional systems might not catch this until the driver reaches the destination. But with IoT sensors, the distribution center gets an immediate alert, can contact the driver to reroute to the nearest facility, and potentially save your entire order. They can even contact you proactively to discuss alternatives before you're left scrambling on event day. Now, let's talk about smart packaging innovations that are changing the game. Distributors are increasingly using packaging materials that actively contribute to freshness preservation. Modified atmosphere packaging, for example, replaces the air inside packages with specific gas mixtures that slow down spoilage. Your pre-cut vegetables or prepared proteins might arrive in packaging filled with nitrogen or carbon dioxide blends that significantly extend freshness. What's particularly exciting is the emergence of active packaging that contains components which actively absorb moisture, oxygen, or ethylene gas that causes ripening. Some distributors even use packaging with built-in freshness indicators that change color to show the condition of the product inside. This gives both you and your distributor visual confirmation of quality throughout the supply chain. Here's a key point that many caterers overlook: timing optimization through data analytics. The best distributors use sophisticated algorithms to plan delivery routes and timing based on product shelf life, destination requirements, and even traffic patterns. This means your most perishable items get priority routing, and deliveries are timed to minimize the window between arrival and your prep time. Think about this from a practical standpoint. If you're catering a Saturday evening event and need fresh fish, a smart distributor might schedule that delivery for Friday afternoon rather than Thursday, even if Thursday is more convenient for their route planning. They understand that those extra 24 hours of freshness could be the difference between a perfectly executed dish and a compromised one. Transportation monitoring has become incredibly sophisticated. GPS tracking, combined with real-time condition monitoring, means distributors can provide you with detailed histories of your product's journey. Some distributors offer client portals where you can actually track your orders in real time and see temperature logs, estimated arrival times, and any incidents during transport. What's really impressive is predictive maintenance technology. Distributors are using sensors and data analytics to predict when refrigeration equipment might fail before it actually happens. This proactive approach dramatically reduces the risk of temperature excursions that could compromise your products. Here's something every caterer should know. The best distributors maintain backup systems and contingency plans. This includes backup refrigeration units, alternative transportation options, and even strategic partnerships with other distributors for emergency situations. When you're vetting potential suppliers, ask about their contingency planning. A distributor's ability to handle unexpected situations could save your event when something goes wrong. The bottom line is this: modern food distribution relies on a complex web of technology, planning, and quality control measures that most caterers never see. Understanding these systems helps you make better supplier choices, set appropriate expectations with clients, and troubleshoot issues when they arise. As you build relationships with distributors, don't hesitate to ask about their freshness preservation technologies. The best suppliers will be proud to share details about their systems and might even offer facility tours or technology demonstrations. If you found today's insights valuable and want to learn more about optimizing your catering supply chain, visit our website for additional resources and expert guidance. Remember, knowledge about your supplier's capabilities isn't just useful information, it's a competitive advantage that can elevate your catering business to the next level. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Catering Insights.